Hello and welcome to the Wraggys YouTube channel. I'm Billy Ragg. I'll be the person looking after the channel. There'll also be input from my son Harry Ragg, who's going to play games and stuff like that. Now the majority of the channel will be about our trips to theme parks, the videos from the theme parks, what we think, you know, things like that. And also, I'm a gardener. Been a gardener all my life. And let me just show you some of my garden. It's not the greatest, but it don't look too bad. Full of myosotis, dahlias, grasses, primulas. It's a hobby that I've done since I was the age of 10, and one that I get extreme rewards from. And it's one that, you know, no matter what I do, I go back to it. Even took 5 years away working at Sainsbury's, but still I've come back into gardening. Then there's another hobby that I like to do, and that hobby is, if you look over there, I've made a bar. 5 years working in Sainsbury's, working on the beers, wines and spirits department, and it turned me into somebody who's got a great appreciation of beers, wines, real ales, spirits, and even brewing them myself, because there's nothing better than brewing your own beer. One, it's a damn sight cheaper than paying silly money for beer and wine. It's rewarding. Sometimes you'll make a mess, but as long as you keep clean, you'll never lose. And so tomorrow we're going to Blackpool, and I'm going to take videos from all around, tell you what I think of the new Icon ride, which, you know, can't wait to see that ride in action and get on it. And here's the front garden with the hosepipe on. I've got a lot of learning to do with this YouTubing, but it should be an interesting ride for the long haul. And once I get used to it properly, I'm sure my personality will come out eventually. And if anybody listens to this, thanks for joining me. Cheers.